I can't believe we're doing this. Flying with the door open? Surely that's dangerous.
It's okay. We'll be fine.
Okay, but who is this guy?
His name's Arlo. He's an amazing superhero.
I don't know. I don't think I could jump out there.
Gotta do it. He's our only hope.
Whoa! Whoa! All right, I'm on the wing. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. This Arlo guy better be worth it.
Whoa! He actually did it. Amazing. Good luck.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow, man. You just jumped off that plane. I sure did. It's crazy. When you jumped, it was nighttime. Ooh. You Arlo? Well, yeah. That's me. I'm Arlo. Super green boy. I like to eat my veg, see? That's good to hear. We need to make a movie for these guys at home. A movie, eh? Where would we find the locations? The costumes? Oh, that's easy. It's all here. VR.